This is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop. Here with a quick intro to a new acquisition to the shop. This is a roughly 12.5 feet long by 16-inch swing Cisco metal lathe. It's old. It's probably from the late teens. From what I gather from my research, the company went out of business sometime in the late 20s. It's in good shape. It's got an interesting drive set up there. Come around here. Got another big faceplate for it, with it. Let's see, that's a 17-inch faceplate. Give it a number of chucks. Some aren't for this. This one has a D16 mount. An older 14-inch Cushman 4-jaw and a 10-inch Cushman 4-jaw. There's another faceplate underneath there. There's the steady rest. And some massive Armstrong bit holders. I mean, look at that. And then, of course, a whole bunch of high-speed steel. I did see it run, so that's good. I didn't have to pay really anything for it. It was a trade labor kind of deal. So yeah, today's job will be unloading this. And I don't have a forklift or a crane or anything like that. Everything in my shop I have unloaded by hand with these tilt deck trailers. This won't be the heaviest thing I've done. That was probably the forehead drill press. But it's not going to be fun. It's going to take a while. Nice and easy, nice and slow, nice and safe. So yeah, here's a quick video for this. And we'll do a more detailed video once it's in the shop and I have it hooked up and all that. So please comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.